using not equal with if-else statements. First, go to brackets. Now create any variable such as num and assign it with any number such as 10. Okay, let's try if statement. If num is not equal 5, colon. So the exclamation mark is representing not in Python programming language, and also most of programming languages using exclamation mark for not. Then print num is not equal 5 and try that in terminal. Good, it's printed num is not equal 5. Okay, for now, let's clean up this and create a new variable such as num2 equal 15. Then use if statement. If num is not equal to num2, colon, print num is not equal to num2. Else, colon, print num equal to num2. Then try that in terminal. Cool, it's printed num is not equal to num2. Alright, for now try to do that by yourself on your computer, and if you have any questions just let me know. Thank you very much guys.